Making yourself throw up. The quickest way to make yourself throw up is to use clean fingers to trigger your gag reflex. Here's how to do it. Wash your hands and cut your nails to avoid scratching your throat. Pull your hair up. If you have a long hair, to get it out of your way, choose where you are going to vomit it. Can either be in toilet or a bucket seat. Down or knee in a way that does not press your abdominal area. You do not want extra pressure over your stomach. Insert your index finger into your mouth and reach towards the back of the throat. Press the finger down in the back of your throat as far as needed to trigger your gag reflex. Once you start feeling nausea, remove the finger quickly. You will likely throw up right away. If you feel nausea but cannot throw up, try once again. Wash your hands after vomiting. Rinse your mouth and do gargles with plain water to remove leftover stomach acid from your mouth and throat. Do not brush your teeth until 30 minutes after you throw up. Your enamel will be sensitive after coming into contact